Seo Sraith Pictiúr cardeag baile slachfar tidy town. An Charigóra is anam don bhaile tá sa Pictiúr. An Charigóra is the name of the town in the picture. Tá paint ag titim den na bally. There's paint falling off the walls. Tá an timplach sa bhaile ag gary míchlachfar is becoming untidy. Tá brúscar ar fud na háite. There's rubbish all over the place. Feicimid na fialaí ag fás ar an móthar agus ar na cosán. We see the weeds growing on the road and on the paths. Tá gála glantachán agus a lán ibre. There's a need for cleaning and a lot of work. Tá an múntóir agus na daltaí léamh an nuachtán sa rang sa Pictiúr seo. The teacher and the students are reading the newspaper in the classroom. Caint na Carige is anam den nuachtán. Caint na Carige is the name of the newspaper. Níl na daltaí sásta leis an scéal seo. The students aren't happy with this matter or this story. Léon buachal amháin faoi aib an bhrúscar. One boy reads about the problem of the rubbish. The rare an alt tá 5 an bhrúscar ag gairid níos measa. According to the article, the rubbish problem is getting worse. Feicimid fógra ar mala sa scoil. We see a notice or an ad on the wall in the school. Deran príomhide ghuill a lán brúscar timpeall na scoile. The principal says there's an awful lot of rubbish around the school. Der she ghuill na sráideanna inacca na scoile gahanais. She says that the streets beside the school are terrible. Bhuaile plan cinnte a chur le chéile chun 5 an bhrúscar a réiteach. She wants to put together a definite plan chun 5 an bhrúscar a réiteach to solve the rubbish problem. Pléin an príomhide agus an múntóir gaeilge an scéal. The principal and the Irish teacher discussed the matter. Tá cuiste glantachán le bunú sa scoil. Now that's difficult enough for some people. So a cuiste glantachán is a cleaning committee. So a cleaning committee is to be established in the school. Beg crinú ag leathrú tar éis trí inniu Ireland. There will be a meeting at 3:30 today in the library. Lá an glantachán na town. It's the cleaning day. Feicimid cúpla duine ag paintáil na rálaí agus na bally. We see a couple of people painting the walls or the rails and the walls. It's féidir páipéir, glynní agus airí crua a chur isteach sa bhosca brúscar seo. Into this particular bin here, you can put in páipéir, paper, glynní, glasses, agus airí crua and hard goods or hardware into this particular bin. Tá na buachalaí ag bailiú brúscar. The boys are collecting rubbish. Curú bosca brúscar a chóirsála ag glós na scoile. A recycling bin was put into close na scoile. So the word for recycling bin is bosca brúscar a chóirsála. On mana atá acu, the motto they have is, so mana is a motto, and it's written on the sheet for you, is, so on mana atá acu ná athúsáid leidig a chóirsál. Reuse, reduce, recycle. Sin an mana atá acu. Sa chéad fictorella, an Sahar na town, it's Saturday, agus tá glanna suas áitiúil arsúil. There's a local clean-up taking place. Tá fear in a cheasamh ar an dréimre agus ag paintáil. There's a man standing on the dréimre, on the ladder, and he's painting. Tá gach áit deas, néite agus glán. Everywhere is nice, neat and clean. Feicimid buachal amháin ag peocha suas an brúscar. We see one boy picking up the rubbish. Tá na fialaí imithe ó na cosán inis. We see that the weeds are gone from the footpaths now. Tá na daltaí rais rang ag machnamh ar nobar rinne siad. The boys are back in the class thinking about the work that they did. Mullen an príomhide gach duine. The principal praises everyone. Tá she anna bhuíoch as an go-oibrú. She's very, very thankful for the cooperation. Tá an brat glas tiltte ag an scoil, de réir caint na Carige. The green flag has been earned by the school according to Caint na Carige, which is the name of the newspaper. Léon na daltaí na nuachtán áitiúla. The boys read the local newspapers. Tá simachos na ceann línta. They have an interest in the headlines. Tá muintir na háite ag fólam ó nóige. The people of the area are learning from youth. The rare nuacht an Conte, according to the County News.